We're here at Kalbarri Skywalk, guys. We got here nice and early and we got lucky there's nobody here. Hey.
I had planned to get up for sunrise, but we were sort of packed in like sardines at our caravan park and we didn't want to wake everyone up at 20 to 5. So,
So we got up a bit later, but I think it'll still pay off. Have a look at that.
this morning we're going to the Z Bend River Trail.
We've taken the risk of not eating breakfast.
Well, we had a banana, that's
We had a
enough.
banana, but we're definitely gonna get hangry.
Yeah, and we're
So-
gonna try and take a few photos today, so that should be a real test to our relationship.
We're gonna have some bickering going on.
Well, at least these ones are mostly photos of you, so that's okay.
Oh.
Yeah, this one's only, what, like 2.5 kilometres return though,
Yeah, it's
so
not that long.
it's not too bad. So we're just packing up from our campsite at the Red Bluff Tourist Park here in Kalbarri. Decided we do a bit of a splurge for our last night in Kalbarri. Is it really? Or like our last night before we start just beach camping pretty much
For the next few weeks.
all the way back down to Perth. So we booked ourselves a little ensuite site with a private bathroom, very, very luxe.
Exclusive.
And it's all brand new, so it was really, really nice. So we're just driving up to...
Oh, stinky.
Oh, I can smell it, eh? Just driving up to Hut Lagoon, and I honestly thought it was going to be one of those Insta versus reality moments, but it is actually so pink. It's
massive.
crazy, and it's huge. Oh, it smells so bad.
Stinks.
It smells like when I would go into a routine and they'd have cats and they wouldn't clean properly.
Yeah, that's what it smells like. Yeah.
last photo stop for the northwest trip was the Pinnacles. Came for another sunrise mission.
Best thing ever.
I think it definitely paid off this morning. Like, it was very cloudy, but I think it makes it look really cool the way the sun is like coming through the clouds.
Have a look at the Troopy. She's looking good. But yeah.
She's looking terrible. Look at all the rubbish and all that coffee stuff.
Oh my god. Classic. There's just something about the sunrise, and I don't know, just the colours, eh?
Yeah.
It just makes everything so different. But have a look at the Pinnacles with nobody here. It's just awesome. So what are we going to do now? We're going to head off to Lansing? To Wedge. Megan's never been to Wedge, so...
Do you want to go sandboarding?
Yeah.
It's cloudy, so it'll be a decent day for it. It won't be too hot. And
We don't have sandboards.
No, you hire them. Why are you getting so close to me? You hire them for $10 each for like 3 hours.
We'll see, yeah. We'll have a look.
I saw someone else vlog about it, and they were like, you need sunglasses because the sun off the dunes like blinds you. But today is really cloudy because I lost my sunnies, God knows where. So
They're probably behind her seat.
I hope so, because they were bloody expensive.
Classic. Megan's lost her sunnies, her deodorant, and I've lost 3...
You found my deodorant,
yeah, I found it. 3 bottles of soap I lost.
Yeah, we've lost more than that though.
I leave them in the showers. Should we get going? Alright, we're off to Wedge. See you then.